Prediction markets are one of the hottest trends in finance right now. Polymarket, Kalshi, Manifold, Forbes, and Bloomberg write about them. Reddit is full of discussions, but here's what I noticed. While everyone is staring at Polymarket, one prediction market is quietly handing out free money. Literally, I got $2,000 just for signing up. I'm about to show you exactly how. This is Polymarket, one of the biggest prediction markets in the world. You bet on real stuff. Elections, crypto, wars, sports, everything's fair and transparent. But the problem? To actually make money here, you need starting capital, and no referral code is going to give you a decent amount. So I went on YouTube, typed in the same search, check it yourself, tons of videos, tons of links. I opened the first one, the second, the third, and it's all the same crap. Some referral link that gives you a tiny commission discount or a couple bucks welcome bonus. Not a single person showed what I found later. One of my subscribers recommended this site, Delta Predict. Alright, I open it. Clean interface, easy to understand, looks like Polymarket but with a different design. Scroll down, same markets, politics, crypto, sports, everything feels normal. Then I get to the registration form. Super simple, name, email, password, no bullshit. And right at the bottom, there's a promo code field. This is the key part. I enter the promo code right now, boom, $2,000 bonus pops up on the screen. Wait, you seeing this? $2,000, not 20, not 200, $2,000. Just for signing up with the promo code. I didn't believe it myself, so I kept the page open and kept checking. The only thing left is to do the verification. Standard KYC stuff, name, ID, selfie, takes literally 2 minutes. I hit submit for review and wait. Okay, it's not completely straightforward. There's one condition you have to meet to unlock the bonus. Honestly, I was skeptical, like, here we go again, another scam that's gonna leave me with nothing. But the subscriber who showed me this is an old friend and it worked for him, so I said fuck it, I'll trust him. Looks like everything went through. Now let's try to withdraw. I go to the withdrawal section, pick the network, paste my Trust Wallet address, boom, copied it straight from the app, put in $2,100 and hit withdraw, waiting, transaction sent. I open Trust Wallet. And there it is. The money came through. Holy shit, guys. I'm actually shocked. I didn't think this would work. I went through the whole thing on camera, from registration to withdrawal, no cuts, no editing tricks. I'm blown away, and if you are too, drop your reactions in the comments. Good luck to everyone.